Hi guys, we're gonna make taco tonight. We've got the taco pack ready made. Let's see what's inside the pack. You can get it from any grocery shop. You've got the taco salsa mix. And then you've got the taco spices, all spices. And then you've got the taco itself, crunchy, it's ready made. Right, for the stuffing, we're gonna make something basic meat dish. So we're gonna got sausages inside there, sausages, some lamb mince underneath. We've got some onions. We're gonna fry up the little fry. Got some chilies there and some corianders to make the little stuffing for the. Right, so for the stuffing, we're gonna fry the onions and the sausages. So we're gonna put about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Let it warm up a little bit, and then we're gonna fry the onions and the sausages and the chilies and so on. Alright, so go in the onion, finely chopped onion. Stir it until it's soft and maybe golden brown. Here goes the sausages and a bit of minced meat. A little bit more. You stir it until it's cooked. Right, now add about 2 tablespoons of the the taco spices. And then mix around for a couple of seconds so it doesn't burn. We're going to add some warm water, about 200 ml. Now we're going to cook it for about 4 minutes or so. Yes, it's been about 4 minutes or so. The sauce is more or less dried up. We're going to put the coriander leaves in just for the extra taste. Give it a good stir and then turn off. Right, so let's make the actual taco now. So we've got the taco wrap here. We're going to put our mixes from before, maybe about a teaspoon or 2. Yep, and then I'm going to add some lettuce. We're going to add some cheese on top. And then we're going to add the salsa sauce which came with the pack. So we're going to add just not too much, a bit. And done. Oh, there's your taco. Looks so yummy.